Okay, go.
Go. Hi, Clau. So how do you feel now that the movie's out?
I really don't exactly know how I feel. I'm excited, I'm nervous, I'm really happy, I'm overwhelmed and overjoyed. Sa lahat-lahat po talaga ng pumunta na ng premiere night at sa lahat ng nag-aabang ng Etiquette for Mistresses.
Gano'n ka-excited that it will be showing na tomorrow?
Sobrang excited because I haven't been working for 5 years and to be back on the big screen, knowing na maraming tao ang susuporta at nagustuhan yung pelikula habang nagpa-premiere kami, nakakataba ng puso at talagang nakaka-touch talaga for a comeback movie na napili ako dito. And of course, reunion namin ito ni Miss Chris Aquino and Direk Chito kasi the first movie was Sukob and this is ito yung pangalawa. So talagang I'm really thankful and grateful sa Star Cinema, sa Viva, sa kay Direk Chito.
After the big screen ba? Sa small screen ka naman ba namin mapapanood?
Well, maybe, but merong plan gumawa ng isa pang pelikula. Pero yung sa TV, hindi pa talaga namin napag-usapan. At meron pa confidential pa eh.
What's your reactions that more of your scenes were talagang pinalakpakan ng mga manonood?
Alam nyo, naiyak talaga ako kanina. Even before going to coming here, I was really very emotional. Kasi nga, alam mo yun, kasi ang acting is talaga my first love. And for you to leave that, for you to leave this world, and talagang yung passion ko, lahat, nandun pa rin kahit wala ako. So ngayon na nung balik lahat, parang sobrang very emotional. I'm thankful and grateful kasi ang ganda nung project. At saka, andun lahat ng Slovenians. Talaga naman kapag sinabi mong Chito Ron, talagang masterpiece yun. And siguro another thing that made me so emotional was that my parents and I, when I was going through so much, andun sila. And nagkataon na birthday ng daddy ko, 78th birthday niya today, habang premiere night. So I think this is the best gift na naibigay ko sa daddy ko.
Siguro yung lessons na lang naman iiwan ito sa mga manonood na.
You know, people always think it's all about glorifying mistresses, but really, when you get to see the movie, makikita mo yung morals, yung mga values, na it will educate you, and it will make you think twice. Talaga, kung papasukin mo talaga yung buhay na may kahate, or titisin mo na lang maging mag-isa. Basta matututo yung tao ng paglabas nila, mag-iisip talaga sila ng mga 10 times bago nila pasukin tong buhay na to.
Last, if you're in the position of Chloe, your character, would you do the same thing? Yung sa decision na yun?
Yes. Sabi nila kasi na kapag daw ang mistress umarap na sa walis, and nakita nila yung pain na pinagdadaanan ng family. Talagang research says that parang talagang lumalayo sila, nagbabagong buhay. Kasi kapag babae na sa babae, naglabasan na ng sama ng loob at pinakita na kung anong laking gulo at anong sakit ang nadudulot ng taong to sa isang pamilya na tahimik sana. Talagang ako, yeah.
Finally, Clau, invite all your fans and all the kapamilya to watch the movie.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat, talaga sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Etiquette for Mistresses. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of Miss Chris Aquino, China Crab, Lisa Calzado, Kim Chu, Direk Chito Ronyo, this is on the Star Cinema. We are really so thankful and grateful sa lahat po ng pagmamahal na ipinakikita ninyo at sa pagsuporta ninyo